zawodnikiem, o którego występie w Łubinach można powiedzieć tylko mój jedyny komentarz to ups, przetłumaczę to, co powiedział wcześniej. I teraz lecimy dalej, Loic Bruni mknie po trasie. It's a full throttle, full throttle.
Full throttle, yeah.
Full throttle.
As the Germans say, full gas.
Full gas or full throttle.
Yep.
In Polish we say pełen gas, pełen gas. It's the same, full throttle. No matter what's the language, Loic Bruni, kolejny z tych zawodników, których pragnęliśmy przez lata oglądać w Polsce na takich właśnie zawodach rangi Pucharu Świata UCI.
He's up by 1.2 seconds.
Yep, sorry for the mistake here. He is fast, he's flying down the course.
Yeah,
so he took the lesson.
Oh yeah. Oh, look at that. He just did a rear wheel dig. There we go. And pushed himself, launched himself into the next turn. And he is showing why he is the maestro.
He is wild right now, so Loic Bruni is on fire. Let's wait for what is going to happen at split number 2. But I think that his pace is just great. It is just great.
Yeah, you can feel it. Bruni is in the zone, and he felt this course right from the start.
Yeah, he's still faster, but only by 31,000 of a second. But still, he's in green.
Yeah, still in green. That's the important thing. And how will he fare in the GoPro many line section? He hits the route. He takes that line, different line from a few of the top contenders right now.
Let's wait for him at split number 3. It was 149 before. How it goes for Bruni? Yeah, he's keeping it up. Minus 41 on a 100 of a second, and he is the leader. So Loic Bruni is on fire. If nothing changes, he will take the hot seat.
Absolutely. Bruni had it in him. He's feeling confident. He's in the best shape that he's been in a while. He said, I took things differently this winter over the break, changed my routine, changed my girlfriend, and I am just flying right now. He took a bit of a long line over the route there. That's going to cost him. Let's see as he comes up to split
number 4, which is crucial as always. He's cranking, he's getting speed, so Loic Bruni is flying right now, and he's faster. Na finiszu w tej chwili jest najszybszy. Leci tam Francuz, niesamowicie wywiecie. Co macie robić? Czekamy na was, czekamy na was, Loic Bruni! So here's your new leader going 1.5 seconds, Loic Bruni! Boom! Boom!